My name is tawanalynn, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I am not doing a makeup tutorial, which is what I normally do. Disregard the baby that's yelling. That's my child. He's 2 and he's doing the most right now. I have my mom watching him for me so I can film this video, but he wants to yell. Please excuse that, mommy, like it's real. So today I am going to do a unboxing with you guys, and I'm so excited for what I got. Boom! I got the SONY ZV1 camera with the kit. This is the tripod. Is that what they call this little thing? It's called a wireless remote commander. That's what it's called. But so as you guys know, I just started my YouTube, just restarted my YouTube journey. I do have old equipment. I posted 2 videos like years ago, and I bought my equipment when I filmed those videos, which was so long ago. I got my Canon T3i camera, which is what I film on, and I got a MacBook Air, I think. It's old. So I am going to start to upgrade my current equipment, but that equipment is working fine right now. I have no issues with it. So I decided to get a vlogging camera first, because that's the one thing that I don't have. I don't have a vlogging camera, and I know you're gonna say, oh, you can just use your phone. Well, I tried that when I went on vacation, and it was memory, and when I had my phone, I had to keep my phone this way. I have a Android, a Samsung S10. I think that's what I got. Anyway, I had to keep it a certain angle. If I did it portrait, it would be the black lines on the side. It was just too much. I ran out of memory. I had to use my sister's phone. It was too much for me. I want to be able, for me to really do this vlogging, this YouTube journey, it has to be something that is not necessarily easy for me, but eliminates a lot of excuses. So for me, I decided that I wanted to get a vlogging camera because that's something that I don't have. I have the camera that I do my sit down videos, my tutorials. I have my laptop. It's not the most up to date, but it works. So no issues with that. But I needed something small and compact that I can take with me, as I go out and vlog, if I want to shoot reels or things like that. Something that's more portable compared to my Canon camera, because it's like the big DSLR camera. So it's not compact. It has a lens. It's not compact at all. So I picked up this baby, this set, which I just showed you guys. I got it from Best Buy. Best Buy was having a sale, and let me see if they still having a sale. Best Buy. So they were having a sale on the cameras. Oh, they're still having the sale. So the camera itself is a regular price of $749, and it is $649 now on sale. I got the kit, which is called, it just says package. It is the black. It is, instead of $899.98, it is on sale for $749.98. So I I paid a little bit more than that. It was, yeah, it was $50 more when I got it. Not a big deal. $50 is a big deal. But when it comes to electronic devices, cameras, computers, $50 is like $2. So this is what I got. Like I said, it comes with the camera, and it comes with this kit thing. So this is my camera. I got it in the color black. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to use it. So the papers, the manual, I'm guessing that's what that is. Let's see. Oh, excited. I'm excited. That's my excited song. I'm excited. Alright, this is the camera. It's very small. It's compact. This is a side profile. It does have a flip out screen. This is what I'm used to. My Canon has a flip out screen, so I'm used to the flip out screens. That's the camera. The battery. Oh man, I guess I should have charged it, but then it wouldn't have been a true unboxing if it was charged. This is the battery that goes here at the bottom. Uh-oh. How you close this thing, girl? Lock. Okay, cool. Then it comes with, oh, this is the, what's that man called? The noise, the muffler. Not the muffler, not like a muffler for a car, but this is the sound muffler. I think that's what, I don't know, but yeah, I think that's what it's called. But how do you put this thing on now? Oh, you gotta take this off. So you take this little piece off, and it slides right here. I guess that's what it do, girl. Let me see. Oh yeah, it slides right there, so it blocks. This is to muffle the sound. The wind, when it gets too windy. You know how when you're filming something and it's too windy, you can hear the. This is supposed to stop that from happening. So it has that in there, and then it has, this is the cable to connect the camera. Oh, this is the, ooh, girl, if I break my nail, I'm gonna be pissed. Do you hear me? Piss. Okay, so this is for the little HDMI. It goes in here, and then it goes in the computer. So this is the lens. This is, like I said, the screen. These are, like, I guess the function buttons. What else? Oh, this is the zoom here, the on and off. This is the big red record button. Let me try to, I'm gonna try to put the battery in and see if it works. Okay. Is that not it? Maybe it's the other way. There we go. Alright, I put the battery in. Let's see. Does it come on? Ooh. English. Well, what? Huh? I don't even know what I am. I guess I'm Chicago. Girl's asking me. Okay, we're not doing that right now. We're not doing that right now. It's asking me to set it up. So this is the camera. Then I got this kit, which it comes with a SD card. This is 64 gig, and then it comes with this Bluetooth grip. So let's see this grip. This is the grip. So it's like a tripod and a grip together. This is in the tripod. This is it as the grip. It's very compact, which is great. And then I would just put the computer on here. Lord, the camera. So this is the grip. You do this. It moves. So that's all my little pieces. It's a quick unboxing, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys because, you know, you guys are going to go on this journey with me of YouTube and trying to, you know, figure all this out, figure out what to do. I have watched a ton of videos on which camera to get. I was going between this camera and the Canon G7X Mark II. I was going with that one, and that one is a little bit older, but it's still a good camera. A lot of people use that camera. So I was going to do both of those. I was going between both of those, and I decided to go with the Sony because the reviews for the Canon wasn't bad. I just liked that the Sony was more up to date. It had more up to date features, and the Canon G7 Mark II did not. But they had the Mark III, but the Mark III is apparently trash. Don't get the Mark III, so people still actually buy the Mark II. But I just went ahead and went with the Sony. I'm really excited for what is going to happen for me with this camera. I am just really trying to invest in my business and invest in myself. I have to take the steps necessary to make my business grow and make it be what I want it to be. So this was a lot of money for me, especially right now at this point in my life, but I felt like it was necessary so that I can truly start to really do what I need to do when it comes to my camera and my channel. Everything about me and my channel, I'm just really trying to learn to perfect. I'm gonna start using it. I'm still gonna use this camera, the Canon T3i, for my sit down videos, my tutorials, but any vlogging will be done with this camera. And then, you know, as I start really growing on my channel and start, you know, getting paid for a lot of things, then I'm gonna start upgrading my other equipment. I'm gonna upgrade my computer next, and then for my computer, then I'm gonna do my camera. Who knows, the Lord may bless me and I can upgrade the camera and the computer at the same time. Hey, you never know. Don't put limits on God. He can bless you above and beyond anything you could ever possibly think of. So I'm not putting no limits on God. I'm just saying that I need to upgrade the rest of my equipment too, but that's gonna come at a later time. So I'm glad you guys sat with me throughout this unboxing. I am going to keep doing an update on my experience with the camera, because when I was looking at videos, I didn't see any videos when it came to a YouTuber or a vlogger, blogger using cameras. All the videos I seen was technical people that was saying stuff that I didn't know what they was talking about. I just needed a real life person to tell me about this camera. So I'm gonna be that person for you guys. I'm going to tell you about this camera after I use it, after I play with it and see what I like, what I don't like, features, things like that. I'm going to keep you updated. I'm going to do that throughout this journey. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope I inspire you to do something, add something to your business, invest in yourself, invest in your business. I hope I did that. I hope you're going to come along as I do my reviews on this camera. If you're considering buying this camera, keep on watching. It's going to be coming. So thank you. Like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.